Yep, I need a V8. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is George, and today we have a very long day of cruising ahead of us with Mopars of Mass. It's about 8 a.m. We are currently in the Durango because I would never take a Dodge Dart to any sort of car meet. I would just get laughed at. So we are on our way right now to the car wash and then off to the gas station to fuel up for this cruise. We are cruising from Plymouth down to Provincetown, Massachusetts, which, if you don't know where that is the tip of Massachusetts on the arm of Cape Cod. And we're doing it for a very special reason. We are raising money for a friend who has a disability and they need a new van. The van that they currently have is old and rusted and is no longer safe. So we are helping raise money for a good cause. So far, last I saw it, $20,000 have already been raised, and that's not even including what's going to happen today with everyone meeting up. Have a couple friends that are doing a bake sale, and a lot of people have been donating money that can't make it to the cruise. So we are going to be meeting up with Mopars of Mass in a little while after we hit up the car wash and the gas station, and of course a little coffee action, because for me this is early. I am not a morning person whatsoever. So the fact that I'm even up, even though it's only 8 a.m., that's not even late or early. It's just like, I'm just not a morning person. I hate getting up. So anyways, we will catch you when we get to the car wash. So we'll see you then. You know, I never leave enough time in the morning for myself. I'm always running late. I need to really start waking up earlier because I always get stuck behind the people that are doing 30 and a 50. And my other question is why, out of all the cars in this world, why would you pick a yellow Honda Fit? To each your own, I guess, right? Well, there was way too many people at the car wash. There was 4 people in line and a car already in the bay, and I did not have time for that. Well, what is going on here? I love when traffic just comes to a dead stop for no reason. It just totally makes sense. That car was like in the other side of the road. I don't know what was going there. I wish I had the camera faced the other way. Anyways, so it doesn't really matter that I don't have a clean car. Nobody really cares. This is a drive, not a show. So do I wish that my car wasn't covered in pollen? Yes, but does it matter? Not really. So whatever, it is what it is. And if you have noticed, Isaac is not with me this morning. He is working, so unfortunately he will not be in this video. So it's just gonna be me, but don't worry, the next video that we do, he will be there. I always say weird when I say do. So Isaac will be in the next video. We are almost to the meet spot, so once we get there, we'll start the drive. I think we're going to be taking off around 9:30, so this is for a very good cause, and I cannot wait. Also want to give a big shout out to Adam, the president of Mopars of Mass. He's the one that put all of this together, so Adam, thank you for everything that you did. I'm sure that they are very thankful for this cruise and the fundraising that you've put together, so it is all going to a very good cause. So Adam, thank you again, and we appreciate everything that you do. Well, we've been cruising for almost about 2 hours. We're getting close to P-Town. This is a very long drive, but it's been absolutely a blast. However, I realized that my Durango was making some really funky sounds, and it has been for a while, and I just thought it was my brakes. Like, I knew I needed to do brakes. It's been about 53,000 miles, and I haven't done a brake job yet. So it's time to do those anyways, which I did order drilled and slotted rotors for that. So those are going to be coming. However, I did some further inspecting on my wheels and realized that my back left wheel, where I could hear all the noise coming from, all the lug nuts were loose. Like, I could hand tighten the lug nuts. I was like, great. So my wheel could have just come off at any time, and I'm far away from home. So that would have been really fun. So I hand tightened them as much as I could because I don't have the right tools with me, because A, I wasn't expecting to, and B, now I realized I need to get some tools. So that was great. So I tightened it. I don't hear any noises now, so we'll see how the rest of this cruise goes. Finally back home now. What a great day, great cruise. It was about 75 degrees. I had the windows down and the sunroof open the whole time. What a great day to spend with a bunch of Mopars. I couldn't think of a better way to spend a Saturday, honestly. And it was for a great cause. Last I heard, we raised just about $500 for this, so that family is going to be ecstatic to receive that money. I'm really glad that I could be a part of it, and thank you to Adam again and Mopars of Mass for hosting this event. For now, I'm going to go wash the Durango and the Dart because A, they're covered in pollen, and my Durango is covered in bug splats. So for now, my name is George. You've been watching the SLOPAR Boys YouTube channel, and we will catch you next time.